Samsung is bringing back a long-lost feature with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, along with 3 other major updates. Let's dive in. For years, Samsung has been on a removal spree, saying goodbye to microSD card slots, IR blasters, headphone jacks, and even chargers in the box. And yeah, we all know where they got that idea. But unlike Apple, Samsung actually listens sometimes. Remember when they ditched the microSD card slot with the Galaxy S6? People weren't happy. So, they brought it back with the S7, only to remove it again the very next year. Classic Samsung. The feature making a comeback. So, what's returning with the S26 Ultra? Variable camera aperture. Samsung first introduced this feature with the Galaxy S9 in 2018, but it was pretty basic. It could only switch between 2 aperture settings depending on the lighting. Cool at the time, but nothing groundbreaking. Now, with the S26 Ultra, Samsung is taking it to the next level. Instead of just 2 preset stops, the aperture will adjust smoothly, just like a real camera. Why does this matter? Think of a camera lens like your eyes. On a bright, sunny day, you squint or wear sunglasses to block excess light. In low light, your pupils dilate to let in more light. A variable aperture does the same thing for your phone's camera, automatically adjusting how much light enters so your photos and videos don't turn out too bright or too dark. Most phone cameras struggle in bright conditions. To compensate, they increase the shutter speed, which can make videos look jittery. Real cameras don't have this issue because they adjust the aperture smoothly. Xiaomi already implemented this in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and it made a big difference, especially for video quality. Now, Samsung is following suit, meaning you can expect smoother lighting adjustments, more professional-looking footage, better control over depth of field without relying on software-based portrait mode, and improved focus adjustments that let you get closer to subjects without losing sharpness. For casual users, this might not seem like a big deal. But for those who love manual controls, it's a game changer, especially when paired with Samsung's 200MP main camera. What about the S Pen? Speaking of bringing things back, let's talk about the S Pen. Last year, Samsung removed Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen on the S25 Ultra, which had many worried that they might ditch the stylus entirely. But that's not happening, at least for now. In a recent interview, Samsung's VP of Product Marketing confirmed that the S Pen is here to stay. However, there's no word yet on whether the Bluetooth features will return with the S26 Ultra. New OLED display tech. According to South Korean reports, the S26 Ultra will feature a brand new OLED panel with COE tech. Without getting too technical, this means higher screen brightness, likely exceeding 3000 nits, better power efficiency, and longer battery life since the new display consumes less power. More major upgrades coming. That's not all. The S26 Ultra is expected to bring a massive improvement to the telephoto camera, a significantly better battery, and even more upgrades we haven't covered yet. I break down all the details in this video. Click here to watch and I'll see you there.